Alrighty, hello. So, if you're watching this video, you want Halo Online. Yes, I can't show gameplay at the end because of Microsoft DMCAing my fucking video. But so, what I did is I was on Discord with my buddy here, and I downloaded the file. And I got this raw file here, and then I ended up I ran the actual game, and nothing happened. But I did get this. I made a shortcut and I put it down here. And the reason it didn't work was because you have to have two extra files. You have to have these two extra updater files, which he sent to a different Discord, which is right here. These two updater files. You need those, or else nothing will work. I took the little liberty to put everything in the same spot. It's like all the actual file, like the file with the actual game and the update and everything. I have that. Everything is just set up. I have a README to make sure that the updated files are in the folder. I'm actually going to add something to it. Here we go. So now we have the downloads for the updater files and the config files. Make sure it's in the folder and stuff. Save. And so now there's that, just in case. And so here inside here we have the updater and the updater config. What we're gonna do is run the updater, and the updater should look for the game. It should detect the version. Make sure the updater files are actually inside of the folder, because if they're not, it's not going to detect anything. So you have to make sure that it's in the actual folder. Kind of want to put that in the README now. So now you're just gonna wait for the you gotta wait for it to detect the version, and then it'll detect the version. You can just press update, and then it'll do its thing. But you gotta wait for it. Okay, so now the updater has finished doing its little thing. You're gonna press update, and you're gonna have to wait again for it to actually update the game. It takes around a little bit less time, like slightly less time, but because I've actually I downloaded this before, and I was like, you know what, why not make a video on it? So that's kind of what I did.
I got these motherfuckers on my dick, and now they coming trying to take my motherfucking money. But I might if she got it covered up in some fucking honey. Nah, you don't know me, but now I ball like KD on the streets. Only gonna last 20 seconds in the sheets. Young nut killing all the beats, curb stomp a bitch with a cleat. I don't need ass, but my breath stank. Need to take a couple pills, cause my dick shrank. Now I got 100 racks in the Chase Bank, only pulling out when I'm coming in a fish tank. All green on the beat like my bankroll. Young nut hitting threes like a field goal. Oh shit, now we coming. Oh shit, put the ice on my wrist, got it flicking like a free throw.
Hey, I be getting cash. Hey, I be smoking grass. Hey, but I don't eat ass. Hey, I be getting that cash. Hey, I be smoking that grass. Hey, but I don't eat ass, no.
I don't eat ass, but my girl do. Got my booty hole feeling like a whirlpool. I'ma spend a couple racks on a new jewel while I'm taking all these old rappers to the new school. I don't eat ass, but a pop Zans in the all black lamb, cause I got bands in the These motherfuckers always wanna throw hands, cause these bitches on me saying that they want cam. Goddamn, hey, Young Nut really got true motherfucking fans in this bitch. Young Nut really still the man in this bitch. Young Nut the goat, motherfuckers lambs in this bitch. Got money, now I'm rich. Now I go to Gucci when I gotta buy some new clothes. Then I'm in the studio and working on some new flows. Young Nut got money and hoes, you motherfuckers got none of those. Fuck off my dick, hey.
Hey, I be getting cash, hey, I be smoking grass, hey, but I don't eat ass, hey, I be getting that cash, hey, I be smoking that grass, hey, but I don't eat ass, no.
I've been sipping liquor, she been sipping Henny. Brody on parole and still be smoking smelly. We be pouring off until the bottle empty. Shout out to my soul, they rolling with the Sally. Fuck waiting on the deal, boy, I need cash, need that right now. In the city getting cloudy, I might have to show the light now. Never leave your girlfriend with me, young nigga, cause you probably getting piped down. Probably do better not fucking with me, nigga, go ahead and roll the dice now. How many rappers on SoundCloud sound like Cloud Guy? Yeah, nigga, I'll be waiting. I went to hell and got jewelry there, it was iced out. Hell is chilly lately. You're not the same when you're burning up, bro, shit. Here, eat a Snickers, Satan. I'm finna kill all these niggas right now, man. Shit, I'm probably racist. Your girl is calling me sweetener. It's like I'm Walter Payton. Payton, man, and making plays. I'm so outstanding, faking shit, you laid in plastic. Niggas snitch, we body bagging, fuck a check up, run a check, I'm never lagging. Yesterday I fucked the bitch, the funny thing she said to say it never happened. Where are you from, little nigga? It's 1904, probably never even seen The Rock. I seen The Rock in plenty movies, Hercules, my pockets moving strong as fuck, we get it. I might as well line up all of these rappers and kill them like one at a time. She give me top off the Xanax, so I call that wasting of mine. I am not wasting no lines, nigga, this 80 a gram. Funny thing, 80 of mine is equal to 48 grams. Nigga 600 a verse, nigga 600 a word, nigga 600 a hearse, nigga come get it. I don't really give a fuck, nigga got letters. I don't really give a fuck, nigga got letters. I've been sipping liquor, she been sipping Henny. Brody on parole and still be smoking smelly. We be pouring off until the bottle empty. Shout out to my soul, they rolling with the Sally. I need cash right now, right now. Get cloudy in the shit, nigga.
But whatever, I was on some drunk shit, so I was like, alright, fuck it. The bitch did have fucked up teeth, but she did deep throat the shit out of my shit. She was like, I was like, oh shit, that shit's all the way in her throat. Like, it looked like she got a fucking Adam's apple now. I was slapping it.
Hey, it's Billy. You know, this is something to smoke to, man. We about to turn the fuck up, baby. Hey. Yeah. Come through stunting like what? Everybody know what's up. Had a dream about it, then I did it. Had a dream about it, then I what? Can we please just take a minute? I wanna make it like I'm whipping in the kitchen. I wanna show you that I'm really gonna make it. Got a pretty blonde bitch getting naked. Thought breaker, the bitty bob slayer. I'm a baker cashing checks like a waiter. Bad bitch split her legs like equator. Yo bitch still texting on a razor. New number, who did, see you later. Numbers going up like a fucking elevator. Yeah, and fuck all the haters. Y'all mad, get yourself some fucking tissue paper. No, really, I'm Billy, I'm not playing. All of you bitches sound the same. Yeah, all of my diamonds wet like paint. All of my diamonds wet like drink. I might just get lit off some drink. Yeah, but Billy be smoking on that dank.
Oh, we're done. Yeah, patch applied successfully. Alright, so once you finish the process, you know, you'll get that message. You can close out this, and then I already have the shortcut of the game here. And now you can see there's more files within the folder. What you're gonna do is just launch Halo Online. And I was gonna allow access on my Windows firewall, but I mean, I guess not, because I'm stuck inside of the game. Can I tab? There we go. Eldorado.exe is not responding. I probably need to use the firewall. Oh, I get a little customized mouse. That's pretty fucking cool.
Oh yeah, that's gonna go away like the immediate second.
There we go. And now we're in the game. I must stop the recording as I am in the game and I don't want to get DMCA'd. So thank you, and I kill myself.
I don't wear no chain and make my own pearl necklace while she give me brain, yeah. I've been sleeping on the money, fuck a mattress. Now stop until I'm fucking on an actress. Got the Gucci shirt popping cause the boys not stopping. Couple labels wanna cop it, they not getting shit. Young Nut and Billy, yeah, this another hit. Young Nut dick spooky like a covenant. Billy getting all the hoes, Young Nut licking toes. Getting money every day, do it all night.